Hi, this is John with WTI. And as my apartment doesn't have as many areas to dry my clothes, this is where this game changer came into me. This is the Rayen indoor clothes hanger, and this has two different wings that I just pull them to the inside, and it's easy because it's retractable. It's so easy for me to put it in different places, so it's not gonna hold so much space in my house, and just use it when I need it. And what I like the most about this is the convenience of just having a nice place that whenever I'm doing the laundry and I need just to dry something, I just can hang it here, and I'm not going to be compromising any of the walls of the apartment that I have to maybe do nails and put cords into it so I can dry it. And the airflow already in my apartment is just gonna do the job. I just leave it from one day to another or just one place, and it's just gonna work really nice. The materials are well built, it's easy to put this into different places, and it's just such a convenient way for me just to dry my clothes or anything that I wanna dry, and it just does the work perfectly. Even my little dog knows about how good is this. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.